Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 Ford Mach-E Premium rear-wheel drive. This one has the 300A package and is painted in carbonized gray metallic on the black interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. We'll stop it here and we'll go ahead and open up the power liftgate. And there it goes. We'll take a look inside the trunk. You can see it's got the privacy shade there. Here's your rear seats. They do fold down flat. And then we have the nice spacious trunk here. So you can fit quite a bit of items even when the seats are not folded. When you fold down those seats, you'll get a little extra. Under here, we got some more storage and we have the tire inflator. Okay, we got a 12-volt socket back here, and you can see we have the upgraded sound system there. We'll hit that button there, and the tailgate will close. Let's zoom out here, and we'll check it out. So it has the full glass roof there. Here we have the black rear spoiler. Up top there, we have the antenna, the shark antenna, and then over here we have the Mustang badge right in the center. There's your tail lights, and then we have the black trim going all the way down. Okay, let's spin the car around. We'll check out the wheels next. So the premium Mach-E's get these machined wheels. This one has the black pockets. It looks great. We'll stop it right here and we'll check it out. So it's got the Michelin tires all the way around the vehicle. The size is a 225/55 R19. Four-wheel disc brakes with the red calipers. Let's check out the front wheel. So we got the same size tire in the front, and we have those bigger brakes in the front. You can see those red calipers are nicely highlighted there. Okay, we'll check out the interior next. So we got the black interior. So you can see it's the premium, so you get the nicer door panels. We have the power windows there. There's your door release. Here's your front seats from the rear. And you can see here we have the console in the center with the HVAC there. We got media ports down there. We got the carpeted floor mats, and we'll check out the seat here. So nice bench seat back here. It looks like it's in great condition as well. Let's pull this down here. And now we have an armrest with two cup holders. Let's show you up here. There's your full glass roof. We'll close this door. We'll check out the front door next. So we got power locks there. There's your door release and your power windows. And it has the B&O sound system in this one. I'll show you the dash on this side. So there's your B&O badge there. Here's your dash. Got this nice trim piece here. And open up the glove box here. So we got some books in there. Here's your door jambs, nice and tidy. The Mustang kick plate down there. Again, the carpeted floor mats up front as well. We got the power seats. And let's scan the seat here. So a very comfortable seat. Hi. And there's your roof up there. All right, we'll close this door now. I'm going to show you the profile here. So we'll walk down. So the black spoiler, full glass roof. It's got the black trim up top too. Breaks it up a little contrast. We have the black mirror caps there. Signals built in. We have E-latches, electronic latches here. And so no door handles exposed. We got the black fender flares. There's your machine wheel. And we'll come down the body here. Here's your Mach-E badge there. And let's see if I can get down on the right, there we go. The right panel there. You can see my hand, the paint looks phenomenal. Now we have 5-stage polish this one already, so it's ready to go. And it looks great, like I said. LED projector headlights. There's your front bumper, your front fascia, Mustang pony in the center there. And then we have the under hood here. And now we have a frunk, so you can store more items in this, being an EV. So lots of storage in this vehicle. We'll go ahead and close it. And we'll take a look at the paint here again. It looks wonderful. We 5-stage polished it. So any paint correction that needed to be done is taken care of. All right, here is your wheels. And we'll check out the last wheel here. And we'll quickly go over to the back from this side. There we are. Close that door. Let's make our way to the front here. Here's your door panel. We got blind spot monitor in the mirrors there. We got the memory package for the driver, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, all the goodies. B&O sound system. Here's your dash on this side. It's a nice and clean design. You can see the screens. Here is your door jambs. Your pedals down there. Your carpeted mats. And your power seats with lumbar. And we'll scan the seat on this side as well. It looks just as good on this side. All right, let's jump in the vehicle now. Over here, we got your nice trim piece, as well as down here. It's almost got carbon fiber effect. Down here, we got your headlight controls, traction control here. Over here on the steering column, we got manual tilt, telescopic wheel. Here's your signals. We have your cruise control here. It's adaptive cruise. And then over to this side here, you got your audio controls. Here's your windshield wiper controls. It's a rain sensing wipers. And we'll go ahead and start it. It's a push button start. All right, no noise. It's an EV. It just makes electronic noises. All right, up here we got the your steering wheel. It's nicely wrapped. We got bump outs here. 3-spoke design, the Mustang pony in the center here. Coming into the gauge cluster here, it's all digital, as you can see. And mileage on the vehicle, only 29,674 kilometers. Okay, coming up to the visor, you got the universal garage door opener. We got the pocket here for your glasses, and then we have some overhead lights. There's your mirror, and then nice, we have this large touchscreen here, so you can see some of the icons. We'll go over some. There's a lot of technology in this vehicle. So we have your phones, you got obviously Bluetooth. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can connect your phone up to the screen. We have factory nav here. So there's your nav. And we'll go to the vehicle information up here so you can see some of the controls. So we got different drive modes, whisper, engage, unbridle, and you can change all these portions as well. Driver assistance, it's loaded with safety features, which is really nice. You can see all the different features here. So your cruise control, pre-collision assist, your backup camera, blind spot monitoring, all that fun stuff there. Okay, we have Ford Assistant. We got Valet mode down here. And I'm gonna throw it in reverse so you can see it's got reverse camera with a 360 camera as well. Throw it in drive here, and we'll turn it off there. Okay, down here we have some your heating controls. So we have heated seats in the front, heated steering wheel as well, and we got this nice dial in the center here. Down here we got wireless charging stations for your cell phones, 2 cup holders, electronic parking brake here. Here's your automatic transmission control. So it's a dial, and it is a 1-speed transmission, being electric. Here's your console. Lift that up, and we do have a compartment down here, and you can see it goes pretty deep. 12-volt socket there as well. All right, closing that back up. I'm gonna open up this door here, and we'll make sure the lights are on, and we'll hop out of the vehicle. Okay, coming to the front here, let's check out these lights, nice and bright, and look how great this vehicle looks. All right, coming down here, I want to show you the charging port right on the side here. And then we have the Mach-E badge down there. We'll step back here, you can see the tail lights. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2023 Ford Mach-E Premium rear-wheel drive. It's painted in carbonized gray metallic with a black interior. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.